So it's the morning. We're gonna quickly go check my YouTube because that's what I basically do every morning. So let me check my YouTube notifications. Alright guys, so it's in the morning. I'm cool. This right here, this hoodie will all be merch soon. It'll be coming out around next week or 2 weeks. I don't have a website for it, so guys, if it is mine in the comments and I'm saying merch coming soon or something, that's just what it'll look like, and maybe, just maybe, I'll actually drop some merch and I'll try to make a website. But yeah. Guys, I'll be getting some new Crocs soon, but yeah, let's quickly get these here. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see me well, but let me just put this over here. So guys, while I'm in here, we are gonna be saving to get this dirt bike, electric dirt bike, the Valtinsu. I think it's basically a 2DO. So guys, if you want to say, I'm basically getting a 2DO soon. $1,000. I'm gonna be saving up for it. I'm gonna be cutting a lot of wood. I'm gonna be on the grind.
Okay, turn it halfway.
Yeah, that is halfway.
More. See this guy?
Wait, which one?
These two swirls?
Yeah.
And now they're gone. And now you can turn the key. All the way. That's it.
Do I hold the brake?
You hold the brake.
Get your bid on.
Okay.
I'm still holding the brake, by the way.
Yeah. You go this, reverse. Okay.
Is
now.
that reverse?
No. This is your handbrake. And down. That's it. So now I want you to go straight out for a bit, okay?
I let go of the brake and I'll do it, right?
Just slowly let go of the brake. It's gonna start going backwards. See, feel that?
Oh yeah.
Okay. See. That's it. On the grass. On your left and on your right, and then just go very slowly, go straight. Bike project.
Oh yeah. Alright, anyways, I'll be being on the grind, guys, but this is gonna be the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Dirt bike be looking pretty clean right now. Subscribe, and yeah, comment some video ideas because I've got like no ideas. But I did make a video YouTube short, so if you want to go comment on that, you can as well. But other than that, I see you guys in the next video. Peace.